नमस्कार, thank you very much. Gaurav Maurya, Chairman, Franchisee India. Ritu Maurya, Editor-in-Chief, Franchisee India and Entrepreneur Media. Panish Peke, Managing Director, Small Business, Cisco India. Aman Jain, Head of Government Affairs and Public Policy, Google Cloud. Animesh Saxena, President, Federation of Indian Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. Harshil Mathur, CEO, co-founder of Rajopi. Sachindra Nath, Executive Chairman and Managing Director of GRO Capital. Pankaj Makkar, Manisha Lunia, Pravan Basin, and all dear friends. First of all, I am giving my all best wishes to the entrepreneurs, those who are receiving awards. In Indian economy, the role of micro, small industries is very important. Presently, our MSME contributes in GDP 30%. My target is to take it up to 40%. We have export, out of which 48% is from MSME. Our target is to make it up to 60%. And the third important thing is this small scale industries area particularly create employment potential. Up till now, we have created 11 crore jobs. And our idea is to, for the next 5 years, we want to create 5 crore jobs. And that is the most important. The people who are wealth creator, at the same time we need to create employment creator. And that is the need of Indian economy. As far as the village industries turnover is concerned, it is 88,000 crore. You always have a impression that particularly the development in MSME and industrial area is particularly the more percentage of development in urban centric area. Now the rural and agriculture, tribal and 114 aspirant district is the highest priority for the government. At the time of 47, our 85% of the population belongs to rural and agriculture India. But 30% population is migrated. And one of the reason is we need to develop good agriculture, agro-processing industries, fruit, vegetable processing industries, and at the same time we need to create Khadi Gramodyog, handloom, handicrafts, and village industry on the basis of raw material available in the agriculture, rural and tribal area, forest area. And for example, I am giving an example of coir. Now we are planning to develop jute and coir industry. I am trying my level best to create using of jute and coir in road construction, because that is going to increase the strength of the road. And the Chennai IIT has already given some presentation to me, and on the basis of that, we are trying to taking more use of coir and jute in the road construction. The most important thing is we are making crash barriers. And my idea is to using of bamboo. Bamboo is a very, very hard fiber. So in place of steel rod, we will use a bamboo. In 1 meter depth, we will fix that bamboo in concrete, making drilling of bamboo, and we will use rope of jute and coir, by which we can get that type of effect which we need on the road and the time of road accident. So exactly the IIT and Engineering College are working on that model. The first important thing is related with the industries to improve the credit flow. The transaction based funding and credit guarantee program. Now we are pursuing to the banks. The banks have got the turnover, bank turnover, GST turnover and income tax turnover. On the basis of that, they can make the credit rating, and on the basis of the credit rating, they can immediately sanction the loan. And this is very important. At the same time, innovation, entrepreneurship, science, technology, research, skill, and successful practices. We name it as a knowledge. And conversion of knowledge into wealth is the most important thing. We used to use different technology, innovation and research in the industry. For that reason, we have technology centers, tool rooms. The 18 centers we have, now we have decided to privatization of these technology centers because I am not satisfied about their performance. And we are now giving these centers to good industries, successful industries, export-oriented industries, to industries association, IIT, engineering colleges, those who are ready to run all these technology centers. We are now decided to give them opportunity for running these centers. The technology improvement is very important. At the same time, we need skilled manpower. And the skilled manpower is very, very important. By this technology center and tool rooms, we want to make research, upgradation in technology, designing of new products, and at the same time make the skilled manpower. So that is exactly motive behind it. Regarding reforms of government, we have taken a lot of steps regarding labor laws reform, GST, e-governance, agri-sector reforms, production-linked incentive to promote manufacturing and social infrastructure. At the same time, we are supporting industry by giving them special incentives. We changed the definition of MSME, and that is also very important. Regarding the development of infrastructure, project execution, funding and Greenfield Express Highway we are making for reducing the logistic cost. I am giving you an example. There is a red tapeism in the system. So we have taken decision to 100% take the decision within 3 months in any scheme. In Spurti, just 3-4 days before, we have opened 50 Spurti clusters, creating job for 44% skilled manpower where they are getting the job from that Spurti projects. We are making that projects in all over the states, and that is exactly now we decided to timeline for the sanctioning of the Spurti Yojana. We are also in the different Yojana. I already given task to my ministry that take it clear before 3 months. I don't want to listen any reason for that. So we are pursuing the thing to make it more transparent, time-bound, result-oriented and corruption-free. At the same time, I know that our automobile industry is very important. Presently, we have turnover of 4,50,000 crore. We are already sanctioned the scrapping policy. Then we are taking lot of decision related with the scrapping policy, by which we will get rubber, plastic, steel, aluminum and copper with a very, very reasonable cost. We are planning for making of automobile clusters for scrapping the car, trucks and two-wheelers, and by which also on the port side where the draft is 18 meter, our idea is to develop industrial cluster on that area, and we will take all the bhangar of the world, automobile bhangar, and coming to the port and using it for scrapping and make it automobile components from that. The presently our export is 1,45,000 crore. We are moving towards ethanol, methanol, biodiesel, bio-CNG, electric, LNG, and at the same time hydrogen fuel cell. The electric vehicle is not a dream now. We have electric buses, electric car, electric scooters, and now we are expecting electric trucks. And just we are going to now inaugurate electric tractor also. So the way in which the electric is moving, the lithium ion battery is very important. We have already started research on lithium ion battery. 81% of the battery part is now making in India, and we are trying to make it 100% in India. The second thing is development of zinc ion, steel ion, aluminum ion, sodium ion and air ion. We are working on that. At parallelly, we are going to develop the battery technology and chemistry for that. At the same time, hydrogen fuel cell, our research is going on. I am confident that we will get result as early as possible. The most important thing which I want to request you, just 8 days before we have launched tractor on bio-CNG. Now we can make bio-CNG from Parali. We can make bio-CNG from organic waste. We can make the conversion of waste into wealth, the solid waste management and liquid waste management, by which we will get methane and bifurcate methane from CO to get bio-CNG. Our idea is we want to use our agriculture for making of ethanol and bio-CNG. 100% that can be import substitute, cost effective and pollution free. You just understand this problem, this is very important. Presently we have import of fossil fuel of 8 lakh crore. And next 5 years, our demand will go up to 18 lakh crores. Now this is the time for the country to make it ethanol from rice, from corn, from food grain, from sugarcane juice, from molasses, from BEV molasses, by which we can make ethanol economy presently of 20,000 crore. We can make it of 2 lakh crore. We have already the bikes on 100% bioethanol. The TVS and Bajaj has already launched their products. So now we are planning to make ethanol pumps. So this can going to help to our agriculture, rural and tribal area to create more employment potential. It is import substitute, cost effective and pollution free. I am giving you the example of the cow dung paint. It is very good. You just come to my office and my conference room, the paint is there. The enamel paint and distemper is equally good, certified by the world testing laboratories. It is proved to be better than the paints available, good brand paints available in the market, and the rate is half of the price, by which we can offer the cost of 5 rupees per kg for cow dung. It is going to resolve the economic problem in the rural area. My target is to make everywhere one industry of paint, making distemper and oil paint in every village. We have 6,50,000 villages. We have to think about villages. Village is very important. We need smart city. But even smart city, we need smart villages. And for development of smart villages, at least we have 2 to 3 industries in the village, by which we will create employment potential in the area. So our emphasis is on the how we can develop MSME, small scale industries in the village area, rural area, agriculture area, tribal area, 114 aspirant district, to encourage Khadi Gramodyog. The 88,000 crore which of Khadi Gramodyog, we want to make it 5 lakh crore in 5 years. This is possible. The Khadi denim is very popular. In the USA, the Levi's is the company using Khadi denim for making of their jeans. We have good shoes and chappals where you are using Madhubani painting, Banaras silk and denim cloth. So my suggestion is this type of different innovation designs are very important. In the honey, our honey is very popular. The high altitude honey from India costing 6,000 rupees per kg in Amazon site. So we can make honey, different type of industries in the village area. It is important for making of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And that is one of the reasons that I will request you that you should think about rural agriculture, tribal, forest area. I remember a lot of people are doing, really running good industry in the village area. And this is the time for the country, for Atmanirbhar Bharat, to encourage MSME, handloom, handicrafts, village industry in the rural area. The transport sector reforms, already we are moving towards it. We are making 22 green express highway, 100 airports, waterways, and at the same time, we are now, green power is concerned, as a solar power and wind power, we are moving fast towards our ambitious aim. I feel that this is going to 100% helpful for making us Atmanirbhar Bharat. We are facing the problem of COVID-19. And really MSME is also facing the problem because of that. The whole world is facing the problem. But we need to understand art of living with COVID-19. I am 100% confident that we are going to win this war against COVID-19. I always remember that song of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, that kadam se kadam milakar chalna hoga. The second important is कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. And the third is हम होंगे कामयाब. The positivity and self-confidence is very important. The negativity, frustration is going to create more complications. This is the time for the people like you who are working in the MSME area to create positivity and self-confidence in the mind of the people. We are making availability of finances, particularly encouraging cash flows. We are trying for that. The second, the package is already declared of 3 lakh crore. The second intervention is by handling the MSME in their operational problem. We launch Champions Portal, which has its technology-equipped control rooms spread at over 70 locations of the country. It has emerged as one of the front-runner portals of Government of India in very short form of time. The third pillar of our intervention is use of technology in various ways. We want to make the marketing portal like Alibaba and Amazon. We are already in process of making our own portal, and it is in the process with the cooperation of State Bank. I want to make it as early as possible to create good market for all our small scale industries, handloom, handicrafts and village industry. The KVIC has to come up with a portal where particularly Khadi village industry products can be displayed and transacted online. I am happy to add that the portal is ready and it will be launched very shortly. We are also working on B2B portal with the use of transaction data for providing finance. We are aggressively adopting the technology categories as a part of industry 4, and we are encouraging the MSME to adopt and manufacture products like sensors, motors, computer displays and other animation technology. We are working on toys industry. We are now encouraging people to make lithium ion from hardware, the computer hardware waste. We can make it the lithium ion from that. We need different type of technology, innovation, research, the research which is available in the world. We are expecting from our MSME to adopt that, by which we can make a lot of changes. We have started implementing artificial intelligence in the functioning of our ministry, particularly on the Champions portal. MSME sector has the potential to contribute 50% to the GDP and around 60% to the export market. The sector gives employment about 11 crore people. We also take this up to creating more 5 crore jobs. Innovation is one of the most important factors in knowledge-based economy. Ministry of MSME is also working to set up a number of centers of excellence with IITs, NITs, etc. I am expecting that we need to establish cooperation, coordination and communication between the government engineering colleges, IITs, private IITs and our handloom handicraft clusters. We need to take the help from them. We need to develop different type of machinery with the cooperation of IITs, where the people like you can establish good coordination between the stakeholders. IIT Madras is doing lot of good projects. We are taking the cooperation of all IITs and engineering colleges. We are ready to transfer our technology centers to good IITs for their good functioning and development of new technologies and products for the coir sector for value addition in various products. Indian market is now slowly but surely shifting its focus from imported products to Indian goods, which despite being of better quality sometimes loses the cheaper imports. We need to reduce imports. We need to increase our exports, and for that reason we need to create awareness in the mind of our MSME people. They are fully competent. They have got a lot of talent, resides in the rural, semi-rural areas who produce handicrafts which has international acceptance. Which is urgently needed is the management know-how to make the best use of the available opportunity of the resources. I am very much confident about all this issue, and 100% the support of 3 lakh crore of package, that is 3 lakh crore collateral free automatic loans is also very important. 20,000 crore subordinate debt for MSME, 50,000 crore equity infusion through MSME fund of fund. The MSME, those who have export potential, having good bank record, turnover, good income tax record, we are now giving equity to them that they can approach to capital market and raise the fund from the market where they can get FDI funds for that. New turnover based definition of MSME, and Ministry of MSME launched a new portal, Udyam registration portal on 1/7/2020. A new champion portal is already launched 1st June 2020. Global tender to be disallowed up to rupees 200 crores. E-market linkage for MSME to be promoted to act as a replacement for trade fairs and exhibitions. Fintech will be used to enhance transaction-based lending using the data generated by the e-marketplace. MSME receivables from government and CPSCs to be released in 45 days. This is one of the crucial problems. I know that the whole problem is not resolved, but I am on the way to resolve this problem. This is very important. Today, it is really a pleasure and pride for me. The people who are getting the awards, particularly the entrepreneur of the year, is very important. The innovation, technology, research is very important, but entrepreneurship is very important. We have all management of business management college, financial management, human resources management, but we don't have entrepreneur management courses. So entrepreneurship is very important. I am giving special best wishes to them. Women Entrepreneur of the Year, the Ghazal Alag, and Entrepreneur of the Year is Green Dot Health, and Best Export of the Year is Bombay Metric Supply Chain Private Limited. Social Entrepreneur of the Year, Log9. Micro Business Lender of the Year, AZ Finance. Energy Business of the Year, Loomstar Private Limited. I am giving my all best wishes to all award winner, and I will expect them to make good contribution for the development of this country and the economy. And with the cooperation of all of you, we will make #1 economy in the global world, Indian economy in the global world, and making dream of our Prime Minister of Atmanirbhar Bharat 100%. I am confident that we will get cooperation from all the stakeholders. Once again, my best wishes to all of you. Thank you very much. Namaskar.